In this video, I'm going to show you what's called the dog catcher. A mature pull, which does not pull their energy into you, it pulls it straight on back, down, and right into them.
Do the dog catcher, dog catcher, do the dog catcher, do the dog catcher, dog catcher, do the dog catcher.
Not so much I'm pulling you in and punching, I have a fixed elbow, right?
Yep.
As you push, I have a fixed elbow, and then from that spot, I can then pull you without collapsing my elbow into myself.
It's this didn't move. How did that? Now you were here, and it just.
It's not just enough to have a leash on your dog, right? What you also want to do is you want to have that long pole that the dog catcher has. Not that kind of pole, this kind of pole. So that when that mean dog tries to get it, you have that, right?
Yeah.
So that's what I call the dog catcher, and that's the mature type of pull. Should be, down, but into you, and then you push into me right now.
Yeah.
You can't. See, you notice what happened is your elbow collapsed and not mine.
Yep.
Because of that. Now from this point, as soon as you start riding that wave, now you can boom and push it into me at the end. Yes.
Do the dog catcher.